Alrighty guys, it is a cold day in Connecticut. Gotta get in the car. Oh, much better. So I am on my way to go get some food from Riley's Gourmet Burgers and Hot Dogs. Really excited. It's been a little while since I've actually been to this place, but I've been there before and they are really good. A lot of different options on the menu. If you check them out online, they have some really cool renditions of burgers that maybe a lot of places don't have. Mac and cheese burgers, jalapeno popper burgers, stuff like that. They have a really good selection for some gourmet hot dogs as far as the toppings go that you won't find at a lot of places. So either way, very excited to go back to Riley's and try them out. We'll see you in a bit. Alrighty guys, so secured the bag, we got our food, we are ready to go back home and devour. I was going to get in on it there, but this place was packed, honestly, for a Saturday afternoon. I'm not surprised, but in the quality content creation idea, we don't want it to be too loud, to be able to enjoy, and hopefully less freaking awkward, because it to be honest, can be quite awkward when filming. So if you couldn't figure that out, it's the beauty of the beast. But anyways, so we're gonna head back with this food and give it a try. Alrighty guys, so going to try out some of the food just picked up from Riley's. Went with a triple B burger, I think they called it. It's supposed to have a ghost pepper, barbecue sauce, pepper jack cheese, and there's something else on there that's supposed to make it spicy. But this is kind of what it looks like. There's some bacon on there too. That might be the other B. That's really good. The barbecue sauce kind of has like a A1 steak flavor, if that makes sense. With a little bit of heat and a little bit of barbecue. It's very nice. Another bite of this burger before I jump on the hot dog. Looks so tasty. Patty is nicely seasoned. Sauce giving it that nice little bit of kick. Very tasty. Alright, this is the jalapeno popper hot dog. It's got roasted jalapenos, 3 types of cheeses, and it's supposedly delicious. Really like that flavor combination. It's almost like a queso flavor on top of the hot dog. The smokiness of the hot dog goes really well. And move on to their famous salty balls, which is like I forget what state is famous for it, but it's a certain way of cooking the potatoes. They have a lot of salt on the outside. They're soft and salty. So, giving these boys a try. I'll try some with just the butter. It's a baked potato, you don't need to season. It's so good. I actually think they mixed in some sort of other meat. It might be bacon. That's what it looks like to me. and the cheese on top of the hot dog. Oh no, don't fall out. Oh, they go so well. If I only had one critique, it's that the burger is, I wouldn't say it's overcooked, but there is no pink. That is like, that would have been the final factor. This is like a perfect burger. It is rather exceptional. I'm not hating on it by any means, but if I had to criticize, that is the only thing. This burger is still very juicy. The sauce, that ghost pepper sauce goes so well. Triple B burger at Riley's Gourmet. Burgers and hot dogs. Definitely recommend it. It's really, really tasty. And these lovely salty balls. Do we double dip? I think we do. I love French fries with a burger, but these salty balls in your mouth, I think are way better. Bacon through the whole burger. You get on every bite. It just breaks apart so easy. Okay, so I'm getting quite full. I'm gonna take a little siesta, come back and definitely finish crushing this, but let me tell you, this has been so exceptional. Very flavorful, great small town spot, family owned. Had a very great conversation with the owner when I was there, or sorry, I don't know if his owner. Had a great conversation with an employee, and very nice people. Definitely recommend swinging by. It's at a small spot in New Britain, Connecticut. I had to take probably like 5 minutes just to stand there, check out the menu, figure out what I wanted, because they have quite a lot of options. I loved this Triple B burger. It has a nice kind of smoky barbecue heat to it. The jalapeno popper hot dog wasn't like too hot or overpowering like you would think a jalapeno popper would be, or could be. I think there was a bacon snuck in there with the cheese on top of the hot dog, so that was very good. And then I cannot go on enough about these salty balls. They're so good. It goes great. I just get the butter and sour cream on the side. You can get them loaded if you want to. I don't think it's necessary. I think they're great on their own. I think there's a really fun aspect to actually be able to break apart your potato and dunk it in whatever you have, as opposed to what we're used to with your burger and hot dogs. Normally you get chips or fries, and you just dunk it in some ketchup or something. So I think it's a nice change up. It goes very well, and overall, I definitely recommend this place. If you're in the area, check them out. Riley's Gourmet Burgers and Hot Dogs. Very good.